How to transfer Viber to new phone. To transfer Viber to a new phone, you need to follow these steps to ensure your account, chats and contacts move smoothly. And here is how to do it. First of all, open the Viber on your old phone and make sure that you are logged into your Viber account. Now, once inside your Viber account, tap on the three dot icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and navigate to your profile settings section. Now here, scroll down and tap on the settings option available there. And once you tap on the settings, tap on the account option available at the top. Now once you tap on the account, tap on the Viber backup. Once you tap on the Viber backup, simply tap on the backup option available there and create a backup of your chat history in your Viber. Now, once backed up, you can simply switch to your new phone. On your new phone, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Viber app. And once downloaded, simply tap on the Open option available to open the Viber app on your device. Now, once inside the Viber, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Tap on the Start Now option available there. Now, once you tap on the Start Now, you'll have to enter the same phone number you used on your old phone. Viber uses your phone number to authenticate the account. Now what happens is you might receive a verification code on your old phone and enter it to verify your account. Now allow the contacts. Tap on the Allow All Contacts. Now enter your name and tap on the Save option available there. Now, all you have to do is a Restore Chat History option available on your screen. Tap on the Restore Now and restore it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.